Hi, how are you doing? Just a quick update on the DAX because it's kind of a special day today. We haven't seen this in a long time. Let's check the daily. And if I am right, we have quite a breakout here. This lag is 624 points, and this one is about to break through this area and heading also for about 624 points, which is somewhere here in these highs here. So very interesting. We always have some selling during the open here, and I will let you lead you through what happened bar by bar. Here's the 5 minute, so we're going to focus on that right now. Let me show you. All right, this is kind of the system that I use. I always look at the lags, right? I mean, look, we go up 32 points, we go up down 11 points, we go up 14 points, we go down 19 points. Then we have this quick move up going 40 points, right? Then we go down. Well, actually, it went like this. We went down, we went up a little bit, then we touched 15,650, and then we made this new high, right? As you can see here on the 1 minute. Let me show you. You see here, we dipped briefly below, a few ticks below 650. We went up 48 points. Down 39. I must admit I was short somewhere here because of this bar that couldn't reach 15,700. And what we expect then is this level 15,650 to break. The problem is we went down here. I was short, right? Somewhere here, somewhere in this bar. We went down here, couldn't make it to 15,650. We went up a little bit, 21 points, which is more than 14, but okay, it doesn't matter that much. It can still be a short. You could even take a short here, but you would expect really for price to reach 15,650. 19 points, we go down 19 points, the same as here, 19 points, right? Had it been 25, had it been 30, we would have broken this level, and you could expect new lows, or price maybe to make to not make a new low and shoot up from here. But now the signal is even stronger. Well, again here, see, let me show you. Again here, we failed to reach 15,650 one time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and then we, in the process of this bar, and it was quite obvious that it was going to be a strong bar. It was going up and up and up. It didn't make lows. I went long somewhere here in the middle, and my requirement was the bar to end strong and taken out by the next bar. Had this bar ended below, closed below this open, I would probably look for short again. But okay, the rest is history. Just check the 15 minute. We even close above this wick here. So there are a lot of people who sold here, and they're like, oh shit, I have to cover my my short. It's not going down. We make a new high here above 15,700, above R2. Okay. Okay, well, this bar is closing as a green bar, right? Look, here we have a body, a green body. I mean, you could still go short, but I wouldn't do it. If this bar was taken out, then we have chop. It's going to be a trading range, or we're going to make new lows. But no, green, you just hold here. You just hold it. It doesn't go quickly, But that's what happens in a bull market. When prices go down, they go quick. When they go up, they fail to go down. That's when they go up. So, and how fast it goes up, it doesn't matter as long as it goes up. We have, this is the 5 minute, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also basically a green candle. I mean, we have a higher low, we have a higher high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bars going green right now. The projected volume 167% of the previous bar. I mean, okay, right? I mean, some kind of a retrace would be normal. Often it will be like around 50% of this move. So maybe we'll go down 63. Let me see where that is. It's probably around this area, right above here. Let me check. 63, right? That's half. 63 would be around here. Let me put an alert. All right. I stayed long the whole time here, and I saw this bar closing at the high. I saw this bar closing at the high, and then somewhere here I took my profit. I still think price can go a lot further. I intend to go long again, but on a retrace first. It's normal to have a retrace. We moved 119% of a normal day already, which is a lot. It's a lot, but if you see this, there's no retrace whatsoever. So is there room to go up? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I mean, for sure we will try to make a new high, and this is always the fail safe, right? I mean, there's going to be a retrace, and if it's deep enough but not too deep, right, the length of the retrace determines what's going to happen next. If it's deep enough, if it stays above this level, if it can briefly touch this level, we could still be looking to go long. Technically, this move down here, which is now 23 points, should be moving less than 126 points for the long to still be valid. So what I would do is just relax right now. I mean, it's 10:26. Asia's closing in whatever, half an hour. We have the Dow also moved a lot. But nevertheless, we have increasing legs up, right? I mean, this one went up 48. We go from 48 to 126. It's normal to have a retrace, but I would not go short very quickly. I just wouldn't. I mean, and you don't have to be pay too much attention to the high unless it touches these round numbers within 1 point or something. Like if it's 15,799, that could be the sign for a short. But this here, this is nice to stay long. If you're long, stay long. If you're neutral, if you're flat, look for a long. We haven't seen such a move up in the morning for a long time. There's usually selling. There was selling today. There's always selling, right? That's the point. There's always selling. It's just that the selling couldn't bring us down. One remark I'd like to make is that price did not even make a lower low. It failed to make a lower low. This is 7 British Standard Time, 8 Central European Time. Then we have here the opening candle, the DAX physical open, went up. Okay, nice. Failed 15,700. Tried to go down. Tried to go down. Tried to go down. Tried to go down. try to go down. I mean, how many times, how many chances are you going to give it, right? Fail to make a lower low, and those moves are, those days, they can potentially end in big days. I mean, there's a lack of selling since the beginning, since the opening, and it can very well be that the bears, they just gave up. They know that you know, we're not strong enough today, and let's wait till tomorrow or whatever. We don't know. We never know what's going to happen. We may make lower lows. We may have a giant reversal. I've seen price going up 300 points and still reverse. Anything can happen anytime. Trading is risky. So we don't know. Nothing is sure. Nothing is set in stone. But it's looking like a bull day that will not surprise you. So, okay, I'm glad I took my profits right below this R3 level. R3 is, by the way, this is R1, R2, R3 is not as significant as these two here. I mean, we're going up, so, and so far 119%, quite an up day, and these levels are within reach. Today, yes, could be. I mean, look at this. It's also a big one. This is 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 a big one. I mean, it's not set in stone. So far, we have a stronger leg up. Then we go down, right? We went up 384 points to 34. All right. So any move down here, I would still look to go long, unless those legs up get shorter, but they don't right now. All right, if we go down a little bit and then go up a little bit and the legs up, they become shorter. All right, I would be starting to look for a short, but this is also interesting. We don't make it so far till 15,750, but I would not go long right now, although it's tempting, but I wouldn't do it. I mean, it will probably make a higher high and then go down again, and don't expect a 126 point move up here, but it could be half, you know, so we don't know what's going to happen. I would really wait for this level and then check very carefully. We have to stay above this candle. So not much to do right now. It's 10:30 and volume is slowing down, and what's going to happen with price is that it's getting more choppy. Well, that was my analysis. This is what I do. I look at the length of the legs. You see here, this is like a little bug because it's an outside bar, right? It's a reversal bar. It went lower than this one, and then for some reason my my zigzag indicator doesn't pick it up, so I have to measure it with my hand manually. But you can see here what's going on. You could actually trade this just off a 1 minute chart, right? Look, this is a 1 minute chart. Go up 48. Don't make it to 15,650. Don't make it to 15,650, and we don't make it to 15,650. 15,650. You make a shorter leg down, 15 points instead of 16. As soon as this one is forming, somewhere here, perfect moment to go long, which is what I did. That will be somewhere here, right? That will be somewhere there. This is the 1 minute, huh? All right, go up 84 points. I held, and then I somewhere here I closed my position. The legs up are getting somewhat shorter, 84, 37, 32, but down 27. All right, that's not 32. We need to go down 32 and then make a shorter leg up and then make the same leg down, at least the same. like 27 or whatever it's gonna be. Right now it's still a long. Could be another long right below this 15,750 level, but I'm not going long. I already have like more than 100 points, which is to the upside, quite unique lately. Still a bull market, but it's not a raging bull market. We're just grinding up, and it has been doing that the whole year. And so sometimes the short side is easier. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe. You will get an instant notification when I'm online. Leave a comment if you are interested, and if you have questions about my my trading method. And it's gonna be a day with opportunities. I always trade the DAX in the morning. It's morning right now, and I will switch to the Dow you know, I won't trade the DAX right now unless it goes very quickly here, but I will trade the Dow in like 1 hour. I will take a break now. There's not much going on. I certainly expect price to try to make a new high. That's always the trick. You get in somewhere here, right? Somewhere here, I don't know where, and then you wait for price to make a new high. You let it test the high. If it doesn't make it, you get out. If it makes a new high, especially above a new level, 15,800, then you hold. That's the system, right? So now I just took my profits because I intend to take profits at 100 points, and I took, I don't know, a little bit more, right? I mean, this leg is 126, and I went in around here. I didn't take it completely at the top, but you know, somewhere here. I think I made like 100 points. You see in the 15th, this bar is taken out, so yes, we can expect some more downside. We may have even seen the high, but I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball. So never ever ask me what's price going to do. I have no clue. Anyway, good luck trading. Subscribe and leave a comment